I've never seen anyone do this with tobacco. Can you explain what were you doing and what should I do?
Tobacco for us is not like something we use in our daily routine. It's not something we use any hour, like each hour, for fun. Tobacco is a great medicine and always been the messenger of the prayers in the ancient cultures of America. The most of the tribes, they've been using the tobacco to share their thoughts, to cleaning the space from energies or entities, no, for protecting the space from bad thoughts.
So it's like kopal and bakhur.
Yeah, could be like copal. It's related with the incense. The difference is that the sacred tobacco, lekmoy in the Tzotzil Mayan, or Sairi in Quechua, the sacred Sairi, is like it's an spirit, and it has its own soul. The tobacco is very sacred, and the tobacco always is the messenger of the word. So for the people who have understanding in the tribe or in different tribes, they've been sharing the tobacco to have to speak from the truth.
Wow. Okay, can you teach me what is the ritual if I wanna smoke it how you guys do it?
Yes.
From ancestral wisdom?
You don't really smoke it.
Okay.
You don't really bring the tobacco in.
Okay.
You just take part of the smoke. You set up your intention. No, let me light it on. What it means is when I blow to my head, it's like I'm protecting my thoughts. I'm also invoking
Teach me.
the prayer and the message from the divine.
Julio is my shaman who guided me on a bufo journey, on a cambo journey, on temazcal, on an ayahuasca journey, and I learned so much from this person that I'm grateful for. So I inhale.
Yes. Don't eat the smoke. Just you take the smoke, you put it on your head. After you smoke, you put it in your left hand. Yeah, to bless your. This is like wings, no, or wings. To protect your feminine side, your masculine side, yeah, and your well. After this, you're already protected and you are more centered because you remind to yourself where you are, how you made it, and which energy is creating your body, no? Your masculine, your feminine, your highest consciousness, and also your animal, your instinct. So when you bring all this together, it becomes you in the present moment. When you are in the present moment, and then you can blow again, and you send your prayer.
So I send my gratitude, or what do I send?
You can pray for your family. You can pray for someone who is not having a good moment.
That's it?
Yes.
Man, it's very interesting to know about this wisdom. And a personal thought, I think the best way nowadays to make us really forget the essential things or the fundamentals or the truth is to make it excessive. So when there is excess, you get lost what's the real information. And that's how I learned today how we use the tobacco from your ancestral wisdom.